Hello, percussionists. We are going to begin with our drum pad. Remember that the drum pad needs to be at the appropriate height and distance. For example, the height should be with your thumb and your belly button and the rest of your fingers beneath it, and the drum pad should come up right before your pinky. And then in order to get our distance, you take the back of your drumstick, put it in your belly button, and then the tip of the stick needs to be right in the center of the drum pad. So now we have our height and our distance established. Once you have that set, you'll take the stick, remember to make a T with your thumb and first finger, and you'll put that on the back end of the stick, and then you wrap all your fingers around and do the same thing in your left hand so they match. And then we want to see about an inch or two of the stick sticking out from the back of your hand. Remember, this would be too little, this would be too much. Right there. Take both tips of the sticks, put them in the center of the drum pad, and remember our angle needs to be bigger than 90 degrees. So this would be 90, needs to be a little bigger than that. Then you'll lift both sticks up. Remember, we're going to play with full strokes where the stick starts up and it ends up. Let's do play for 4, rest for 4 with 4 rights and then 4 lefts using full strokes. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest to the left and play. 1, 2 to the right and play. Rest, rest, one more time to the left. Now let's see if we can do it without the rests. 4 rights and 4 lefts using full strokes. Start with the sticks up. 1, 2, ready, play. Once you've done that, we're going to move on to a new exercise. It's still play for 4, rest for 4, but instead of going 4 rights and then 4 lefts, we're going to do 2 rights, 2 lefts, and then we rest. 2 rights, 2 lefts, and then we rest. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, full strokes. Right, right, left, left, rest, 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 and again. Right, right, left, left, rest, rest, one more time to the right, 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 left, left. And then see if you can practice that without the rests. 1, 2, ready, play. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. One more. Right, right, left, left. And those are our snare drum exercises. Once you've practiced that, let's go ahead and switch over to our bells. You're going to twist your drum pad off to the left. And you'll lift these supports up if your percussion kit has them. Remember, if you have supports that look like this, the bigger opening needs to go to your left. And then your bells will sit right in between. And then you'll take your bell mallets. Let's review our note name B flat. Remember, these are our black keys, like a piano, and these are our white keys. we're going to find the black keys. You should see a group of 3, a group of 2, a group of 3, a group of 2. Find the group of 3. The note all the way to the right of the group of 3 is our B flat, and that sounds like this. Or the one in the middle, or our highest. Let's do play for 4, rest for 4 on B flat. We're still going to use a full stroke with the correct distance, with 4 rights, rest, 4 lefts, and then rest. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest, now to the left. 1 more time to the right, and 1, 2, left, play. Now, it's time to learn a new note. This is going to be called note name C. And what you want to do is find your group of 3 and that B flat that we just played. C is right here. So if you've noticed, this is B flat. We skipped a note, and this is C. So we have B flat, skip a note, C. B flat, skip a note, C. Or B flat, skip a note, C. So we have B flat and C. If you look at the group of 2, C is right before that group of 2 starts. Now let's do play for 4, rest for 4 on note name C. One, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest, left hand, play. 1 more time to the right hand, play. Rest, rest, left hand. Now, before we put those 2 notes together, it's important to go through and touch the note name and say the note name. That way we get used to knowing which note goes with which note name that we're saying. So for example, you'll want to go like this with just your finger. B flat, C. B flat, C. B flat, C. Once you've done that, we're going to put the 2 notes together by playing. What you're going to do is play for 4, rest for 4 on B flat, and then you're going to move to C. Back to B flat, and then back to C. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, start with B flat. Now B flat with the left. Ready, here we go. C with the right hand, ready, play. C with the left hand, ready, play. Back to B flat with your right hand, go. Now the left, B flat. Now C, last one with the right. Now C with the left hand. And that is B flat and C, our 2 note names. Now remember, percussionists, I don't expect you to practice for an hour in a row without stopping. But what I do expect is that you practice for multiple times, for small amounts of times throughout the day. That's how you're going to get really good at your instrument if you do that every day. At any point in this video, you are welcome to pause, to rewind, or to watch the whole video again. That way you can get extra practice on whatever you need help with. So feel free to do that. And remember, always get our correct height, our distance, the angle bigger than 90 degrees, and then always do our full strokes, where the stick starts up and it ends back up. So have fun practicing, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.